The National Weather Service has issued a flood watch in your area through Monday morning. Flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues to be possible. Excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Flooding may occur in poor drainage in urban areas. Expect total rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches, but isolated higher amounts of 3 to 6 inches will be possible if stronger thunderstorms move over the same area. Rainfall rates of 2 to 4 inches per hour will be possible within the strongest storms. For flood safety information, visit http://wweather.gov/safety/flood. You should monitor local forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. End of alert.